Hello everyone, I am Miss Sato. This is my very first YouTube video. In my channel, I would like to share my original song, singing and play with my ukulele. Today, I would like to share my first original song. It's called The Bluebird. This song inspired by the story The Bluebird, written by Mytle. He's a Belgian playwright, 1908. And the story goes, there was a poor woodcutter family living in the woods. They have two small children. Oldest one is Tyltle. He's a boy, and the youngest one named Mytle. It's a girl. So the children look at the rich family and they so jealous about what they have, fancy toy, nice food, cake, live in a mansion. So they complain to their parents what they don't have. They couldn't see the food they could share in the family and small cottage. They didn't appreciate what they have. So one night, the fairy came to the house and wake up the children and told them to go find the bluebird. When they found it, they will be happy. So the children took off and looked for the past, future, look everywhere, but they couldn't find the bluebird. Finally, they're so tired, went back home. Then they found the bluebird in the house. The bluebird was in the house whole time. They couldn't see it. So that's the story. First, I will play and sing this song. And if you like it, I will show to you how to play this song. Let's get started. and peace and good. The bluebird was through the salty sky we just couldn't see. But now the road open our eye to see. Let us sing to share the happiness. Jesus loved us from the beginning. Let us sing to share the happiness. A small house in the woods, there is love and peace and good. The bluebird was with us all this time, we just couldn't see. Amen. So, how do you like it? I hope you do, because I like this song very much. Let's assume you like the song, so I can show to you how to play this song. So easy. So this song uses only 3 chords: D, G, A. Oh, sorry. G major, D major, A major. So started from D and goes to G, then goes to A and D. Every time melody change, it's go to the next chords. So easy. Just do D, G, A, D, G, A. Okay, I can show to you like this. First D. A small house in the G roof. There is A, no he and little D fruits. There must be better G, life out the A. Anyways, better than D here. G, let's go A, till to find the D. Bluebird. G, when we found the A, we will be happy. One more time. G, let's go A, till to find the D. Bluebird. G, when we find the A, we will be happy. See, so easy. So the string pattern, I like to use finger style. A small house in a wood, there is no here little fruit. Oh, a small house in a wood, there is no here little fruit. So, but if you are absolute beginner, you just do one downstream, like a small house in a wood, there is no here little fruit. Or a small house in a wood, there is no here. You can do anything the way you want to do it. There is no rule. So please don't count, just listen to the music and follow the music. That's so much better, and you can enjoy. The main thing is just to enjoy the music, play and singing. That's the most important. That's I think. So this song make me realize sometimes I can't stay here, I don't like it, and there's so many complaint, little things and big things, and I can't see the God's blessing. I just can't see. But when I pray to Jesus, He opened my heart and I can see the blessing so much. So I hope you enjoy this video, and I do, and I have so many original songs to share with you. That's all for today. Have a nice day and stay safe. Bye.